T2157 Jeep Gladiator ARC Series Chase Rack Installation Guide. Cross tube connector screw holes upward. Mounts to side main body. Align with the screw holes. Position the curved part of the rear cross tube downward. Align with the holes. Attach the screws. Then install two front cross tubes. Attach screws in the same way. Repeat for the other side. In the bottom three positions of the side main body, paste the sponge cushioning adhesive. And repeat for the other side. Install the spare tire carrier through this method. Align with the screw holes. Add washers to the screws. Attach all screws. After confirmation, tighten the screws at the cross tube connections. Tighten all screws of the main body. Slide 4 bolts into the spare tire carrier. Add spring washers and flat washers and attach nuts. To keep the spare tire base movable, install the side handle. Tighten the screws. Place the chase rack on the trunk for alignment. Keep left-right symmetry. And leave a 2-finger gap at the back. After confirmation, mark the screw holes. Remove the chase rack. Drill holes at the marked positions. Insert bolts from the bottom of the holes to fix. Place the chase rack. Tighten the nuts. Place the spare tire on the spare tire rack. Adjust the position. Tighten the nuts of the spare tire base. And tighten the 3 nuts of the spare tire. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2157.